Hello and welcome to Real Hi-Fi Help. In this video I will show you how to make sure that your power cable is in phase. It's gonna take about 2 minutes to show you guys. And let's go see if I can do this with two hands. So the thing to know here is, if you can see it in the light, I don't know if you guys can see this now. The top one, that's supposed to be the earth grounding. The one to the left is supposed to be minus, and this one on the right is the plus. So we have to make sure that when we plug this thing in, this power cable, we have to make sure that the right one lights up on this device that I have for testing the power. If it doesn't do that, that means it's not in phase. So let's just try and do this. Like that. And how can I do this while holding a camera? Oh, yeah, I think I can do it this way. Okay, let's see. Oh, is that wrong? Oh, you see that? That's a light, but that's on the wrong side. Can you guys see that? That's on the wrong side. So now I have to change it. Whoops. Daisy. Like that. Now should be lighting up on the right side. Yay! And now we've got a power cable that's in phase. So it's important to do that with all of your power cables. That will keep everything in phase, meaning that the music will be, it will just come out with a bit less effort, won't be quite as harsh, as bright. It will just promote a more musical, natural sound. So yeah, good video on just figuring out how to put all of your power cables in the correct phase. So I hope that helped you guys, and remember to like and subscribe.